Hi everybody! I thought today I would shoot a video explaining some of the tools that I use for my bullet journaling. So this right here is my Leuchtturm 1917. I believe it's B4 or B5. Anyways, I live in Canada, so some of the European sizing is, I forget it. Anyways, so this is a dot grid notebook. I really like it because it's easy to get lines and it's really easy to divide up your page and do layouts. And it's not as heavy as like a lined notebook. The dots really disappear on your printing. Anyways, Leuchtturm, they number their pages and they have a table of contents at the beginning, so that's really helpful for the bullet journal, the style that we use, and the method that we use for bullet journaling. Some of the other things that I use are these Sharpie markers. They're like a fine tip. I really like these for making, I usually use these for my initial layout, so I will use it for drawing lines and things like that. It's really nice and bold. I haven't really gotten into using these, but these are Tombows, so these are the traditional pens. They're brush pens. One's harder and one's softer. It's for calligraphy, and I haven't really gotten into that. And these are the Tombow brush pens that everybody knows are water-based. And I have gray and a light turquoise. And these are something that I have used for quite a while, and I think I'm missing a few actually, but I really love these. I find the color choice is really nice. They're Mildliners. They're made by Zebra, I think is the brand. And they have a chisel on this side, and on this side they just have like a normal bullet. But they're really nice. The colors are really muted. So instead of like normal traditional highlighter fluorescent colors, you do get a choice of a lot of really nice colors. Some of them are on the more fluorescent side, but yeah, they work great, especially if you use color coordinating things for your organizing. And these are the pens that I've used, and I've been able to pick these up in my local Walmart in Canada. They're Uni-ball Signo 207s. They are a little bit more of a bold. They are a gel pen, and yeah, I like them. They work well, and they're not too expensive, and I can just get them locally. These are jelly rolls, Sakura jelly rolls, in white. So this is nice if you need to put like white text over black. They're good for correcting things, like say you make a mistake on a title, you can block it in black and then put this on over top. These are nice. And I believe I got these just off of Amazon. I don't think they're available anywhere local to me. And then this is just a ruler, a metal ruler. I don't always use rulers just because I think having the hand-drawn lines create a bit of, it's like an organic look to it. I don't know. It's not so straight. Although I do use this a lot. And this is just a Papermate dry line liquid paper. I don't find these work that great, so if anyone has a alternative that they use, by all means let me know, because right now this is just something I'm using up. I'm not a big fan. Anyways, that is basically what I use for my bullet journaling. I really enjoy it, and I think if you have the proper tools, it can be very enjoyable for you too. Thank you, and please subscribe and share this video if you really liked it. Thank you.